How to make money with Instagram theme pages. People are making hundreds of dollars without ever showing their face or recording any videos. In this video, I will explain the step-by-step guide on how to start an Instagram theme page and make money with it. Starting with the first step, finding a niche. I know you've probably heard this a million times before, and you might be thinking, here we go again. But trust me, it's important. But if you're struggling to pick a niche, start with one of these niches: food, dogs, makeup, or memes. Using a niche in one of these areas gives you a higher chance to grow quickly, which helps you to get more followers, more engagement, and ultimately to make more money. So if you still haven't decided your niche, just pick one of these and start posting content around it. But picking a good niche doesn't guarantee getting more followers, because the first thing people notice is your profile. And if your profile isn't fully optimized, you might be missing out on tons of potential followers. This brings us to our second step, profile optimization. This step involves selecting a username. You want to keep it as simple and straightforward as possible, because the audience's attention span has decreased and you don't want to make it difficult for them to remember. Your username should clearly reflect what your page is about, so aim for simplicity. For example, if you're running a dog page, you might go with something like Cutie Dogs or Doggo World. If you're stuck, you can even ask ChatGPT for some suggestions. Next, you need to choose a name. Stick to 2 to 3 keywords related to your niche. This will help with SEO. It's not complicated, so don't overthink it. After that, select a profile picture. Choose an image that aligns with your niche. For example, if your page is about dogs, pick a cute dog photo. If it's a food page, use something like a pizza or a mix of food items. Again, keep it simple but ensure the image is clear. Finally, there's the bio. If you're unsure what to write, take a look at other successful pages in your niche and use their bios by making few changes. With these steps complete, your page will be fully optimized and ready to go. Next step is to start posting. At the beginning, mainly focus on posting reels. Reels are the most powerful content format on Instagram right now, especially for growth. Try to post at least 3 reels per day to increase your chances of getting noticed. Now you might be wondering, what kind of reels should I post? Try to repost reels that have already gone viral on other pages within your niche. If a reel has gone viral on someone else's page, then there's a good chance it will perform well on yours too. But how exactly do you find these viral reels? Let me explain with an example. Go to your explore page and click on any reel related to your niche. Then go onto their page and go to the reels section. Now keep scrolling till you find a reel which performed better than others. For example, if the majority of their reels are getting between 50,000 to 100,000 views, look for one that has significantly more views, like between 500,000 to 1 million views. Once you've identified a viral reel, you need to repost it on your own page. There are several reposting apps available on the Play Store that make this process simple, but make sure to give credits to the original creator. Now that you've optimized your profile and started posting content consistently, you might think the followers will just start rolling in, right? Unfortunately, the answer is no. You need those initial followers to boost your reach and get into explore page. Without these initial followers, your content might not reach its full potential, no matter how good it is. But how to gain those initial followers? This brings us to our next step, growth strategy. Now, I'm sure some of you are already familiar with the method I'm about to share. It's follow for follow. And before you click off this video, let me tell you this method still works. Let me show you the right way to do it. Find a page within your niche, go to the recent post and follow the members who have liked their posts. These are your target audience, because these are the people who are active, engaged, and are interested in your niche. They're the kind of followers you want. But remember, apply this strategy after a week of creating your page, because the page needs to warm up and start following only few members at beginning and then gradually increase. For example, if you are posting 3 times per day, let's say morning, evening, and night, then at starting, follow only 10 members at a time. Follow this method for 3 to 4 days and then increase it to 20 members and then slowly to 50. By doing this, the algorithm doesn't think that you are spamming people. Do this consistently for 1 to 2 months and you will start seeing some results. Once you reach like 3K followers, you can stop using this method. At this point, you start getting followers automatically. But remember, don't follow more than 200 people per day or else you will be shadow banned. By now, you've built a page with a solid follower base and some of your reels are even starting to go viral. But if you can't monetize your page, then what's the use? Here comes the last and final step, monetization. There are several ways to monetize your Instagram page, but let me walk you through a few of the most effective methods. The simplest way is through paid promotions. Once your page gains traction, brands and other page owners will likely start reaching out to you, asking, how much do you charge for a promo? And you can say your price and do some negotiation and close the deal. The owner will provide all the materials needed for it, and you just have to post them on your feed and stories. Next method is dropshipping. You can build an online store using Shopify and list down few products related to your niche and run the ads on your page. You don't have to worry about inventory, packing, or shipping. All these are handled by the supplier. If this sounds interesting, there are plenty of YouTube tutorials to guide you through the process. Next method is selling digital products. This can be incredibly profitable because you have to build the product once and and can sell to multiple people, and the profit margins are around 90 to 95%, whereas in dropshipping the profit margins are around 40 to 60%. You can either sell a course or sell an ebook and start promoting them on your stories and make hundreds of dollars. This is the complete step-by-step guide to make money with Instagram theme pages. If any part of this video wasn't clear, feel free to rewatch or drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.